Okay, so now I'm going to give you a chance to try these. So we have 4 different problems here where you're going to find either the area below, above, or between some z-scores. And for each one, I want you to draw a picture, draw a diagram, and then state the area. So go ahead, press pause. When you're done, you can start it up again and see how you did. Okay, so let's go ahead and give these a try. So the first one here, it's below. It says it's below 1.13. Okay, so 1.13 would be maybe right about here. It's above the mean. Okay, and it's a little over 1 standard deviation above the mean. And so I want the area below, so that's what I'm going to look up. So when I look up 1.13 on the positive side, 1.13, I get 0.8708. 0.8708, and that is going to be my answer because this is an area below, and whenever you want to find the area below, you just look it up, and the area on the table is the area you want because the table always gives you the area below. So that would be the answer to 1. So now for number 2, I want to find the area above a negative 1.56. So negative is below the mean, so over here, beyond 1 standard deviation, negative 1.56, maybe right about there. But I want to find the area above this. Okay, so when I look it up, it's going to give me the area below, because that's what the table always gives me. So I look it up on the negative side. I look up negative 1.5 and then 6, and I get 0.0594. Okay, now that's not the area I want. I want the area above, so I take 1 minus that. So whenever you want to find the area above, you subtract from 1. So 1 minus 0.0594, and I get 0.9406. 0.9406, and so that's my answer, 94.06% of the area. Okay, so that's for the area above. So whenever you want to find the area above, you look it up, subtract from 1. So now this wants me to find the area between negative 2.75 and negative 0.68. So both of these are below the mean. One is way out here, and one is closer to the center. And I want to find the area between these two. So now what I want to do is look up both of these and subtract the two areas. So on the negative side, negative 0.68, and I get 0.2483. And then I want to look up negative 2.75, and I get 0.0030. And so now what I want to do is subtract these two. 2483 minus 0.0030. I think I can do that in my head. I should get 2.2453, which is like 24.53%. Okay, and let me just make sure I did that right. 0.2483, I'm sure I did, but my OCD is making me check. Yep, okay. So now when you did this last one, did you encounter a problem here? Oop, that's 3. Did you encounter a problem? This one is not on the table, right? So let me show you what to do in that case. That's why I did that one here. Okay, so this one is pretty close to the mean below. It's a negative z-score. This one is way out here, positive 3.72. And if you look, the table only goes to 3.49, and this is as big as you can get. Okay, you get 0.9998. And so for 3.49, all of the area below is like 0.9998. So anything bigger than that is not on the table. But the only thing you can get that's bigger than 0.9998 would be 0.9999. That's the only thing you can get that's bigger than that, but not equal to 1. So the biggest 4-digit decimal number that's not equal to 1 is 0.9999. And so what you're going to do is for z-scores, you can write this right on your table on the this is on the positive side. For z-scores, greater than 3.49, use 0.9999. That's as big as you can get. That's the most area you can get without being 1. Okay? And so that's what you're going to use. Now, on the flip side, for something less than negative 3.49, that's just a little tiny bit of area. And so on the negative side here, you can write for z-scores less than negative 3.49, use 0.0001. And that's as small as you can get without being 0.0000. Okay? So what this means then is that this one, so I want to get the area between these two, and this one is going to be 0.9999. And so then I need to look up this one. So on the negative side, 0.30. So, and I get 0.3821. 0.3821. So I get 0.9999 minus 0.3821. And that's how you get the area between them. So 0.9999 minus 0.3821, and you get 0.6178. And so that's like 61.78% of the area. Okay? So for anything bigger than 3.49, you're going to use 0.9999. That's the best you can do without being 1. Anything less than negative 3.49, you'll use 0.0001. It's the best you can do without being 0. Okay? And then with that, you should be able to find any of these standard normal areas. Okay? So that's how to use the table. So in the second set of videos, we're going to learn how to combine this with the z-score to find the actual percentage for any normal population. So